Hello, my name is Faith Nori. I'm an attorney in Orange County, the city of Huntington Beach, California. I practice family law, mediation, collaborative divorce, and I also handle US and Canada immigration. I'm licensed to practice law in both US and Canada. Today, I would like to speak with you regarding individuals who are in this country overstay or illegal, and due to the regulations and current law, they have no options. How do we resolve it? I first would like to let you know you have many options. So if you think you do not have options, I'm here to tell you you do. Let me explain it to you. If you're here illegal or overstay, one of the options could be to apply for asylum. But asylum is difficult if you have stayed over 1 year and haven't applied. So you need to deal with that, as well as you have to have a viable circumstance that would fall under provisions of the law for granting asylum. So you would need to have fear of persecution, not prosecution, persecution. It's the same for Canada. In regards to other options that I would like to talk about, if you have resided here and you have a home or other assets and you have lived here during that time, accumulated these assets, you're able to use it now. There are countries that provide a home for you and you can stay there. And if you want, you can live there, and if you don't, you can use that as a stepping stone to go to other countries while you can't do it at the present time due to your illegal stay and overstay. Let's say you want to go to Canada. Well, Canada, if you are in US and you don't have a legal status here, you can apply from here in the US for Canada. Even if you apply, your interview will be at your home country. Many people are not able to either go to their home country because they have fear of persecution, they didn't apply, they have waited many years, they don't have a viable case, or they have just resided, overstayed their visa. They just don't want to go back home because politically it's not desirable or socially, economically it's not desirable. So they would like to stay here and proceed from US. Because they don't have a legal status, a country like Canada or maybe UK or New Zealand and Australia is not going to entertain their case if they are unable to go for the interview at their home country. So if they don't want to travel and they don't want to go there and they don't want to wait outside, then the best way is to find another option. Because the moment the person leaves US, then because they're overstay or illegal, they can't come back. So that compounds the problem. There are countries that you could go there and obtain a residency, let's say with $150,000 or $100,000. And once you're there, you can remain in that country as a resident and then apply for another country that you are more interested. Let's say you want to go to Canada then. Well, you're now a resident in another country, a third country. You have an ability to file from that country for Canada or New Zealand or Australia or whatever country that you would like to go. And then they can actually accept your document and your interview would be in that third country. So that makes the whole situation much better for you because now you're in a third country, which is someplace desirable, and you can stay there while you're proceeding with your, let's say, Canadian process. With respect to America, if you do have any relatives that you want to apply, or if you have enough investment that you can come here in US, while you're a resident there, you can apply, and perhaps if you're eligible, apply for waivers. And we can go through that process. And everything can be done in a third country, so you don't have to have the fear of being apprehended by ICE in US or dealing with your status, which is a non-status at the present time. So the whole purpose of this video was to let you know you have many options. And I don't want you to think you don't. And if you think you have no option, it's because you see yourself in that limited way. So I would like you to broaden your horizon and know that you do have options. And there is a way to go about it. If you need any assistance, I'll be more than happy to assist you. Please look us up at www.nurilaw.com. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.